Assalamu alaikum class, hope you are fine. Today we will discuss about the nature of the approach, method and technique in the explanation or in the elaboration of English language teaching, as it is our module and it is our subject. So we have to see that what is the position of approach, method, technique in our discipline ELT, which stands for English language teaching. Today we will have also discuss and observe the difference between three words like approach, method and technique. And we have also need to observe that what's their performance, what's their importance, what's their significance in the field of English language teaching, why we select an approach with a proper method by using several techniques and devices in order to produce or to get better and effective results in the field of English language. So if we observe the definition of an approach, then we can say that an approach is a set of assumptions or hypotheses. An approach deals with the nature of language learning and teaching in order to meet up the real life problems. What is the assumptions or hypothesis? It means we have a theory, we have an ideology, we have an approach, means the agenda, the hypothesis, the theory, the presumed effects, facts and figures for an approach. What's the objective of an approach? Means what's the effective purposes or the uh, roles of a theory, of an assumption or a hypothesis or an approach. So any approach which deals with the nature of language learning and language teaching in order to meet up the real life problems mean it assists us to cover up or meet up the real life problems in the field of English language learning or English language teaching. So further, to more elaborate the agenda behind an approach, we can take the example that the theoretical work which we find in written forms and all the set of beliefs and ideologies underpinning the issue at hand मीन्स के किसी भी लैंग्वेज लर्निंग सिस्टम को हम जब इस तरह से इफ़ेक्टिवली यूज़ करते हैं तो उसके बारे में हमारे पास जितना का रिटर्न मटेरियल, रिटर्न मवाद और हमारे पास इतना उसका प्रीवियस वर्क जो है हमारे पास होता है, उसकी बेटर इफ़ेक्टिवनेस के लिए, बेटरमेंट के लिए, जो कि जिस इशू को हम मज़ीद एक्सप्लेन करना चाहते हैं, जो इशू हमारा उस टाइम का होता है. फॉर इंस्टेंस ऑल द लिटरेचर about designing situational syllabus, curriculum designing. So after elaboration the concept of an approach, we need to discuss and we need to observe that what is a method, what's the link between a method and an approach. So a method is an overall proposal or it is a plan for systematic performance presentation of language based upon a selected and desired approach. Means कि उस अप्रोच, उस थ्योरेटिकल वर्क, उस थ्योरेटिकल फ्रेमवर्क को हम अचीव करने के लिए, उसको एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए, उसकी एक इफेक्टिव परफॉर्मेंस देने के लिए हमें किस चीज़ की ज़रूरत पड़ती है? एक तरीक़ाकार की, जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं? मेथडोलॉजी कहते हैं और मेथड कहते हैं. सो by considering the relevant approaches regarding the issue in practical life, the methodology to implement the selected approaches. कि हम जब किसी प्रॉब्लम को जो कि हमारी इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज टीचिंग की फील्ड से है, लिंग्विस्टिक की फील्ड से है या इंग्लिश से किसी डिसिप्लिन से रिलेटेड जो रियल लाइफ प्रॉब्लम है, फॉर इंस्टेंस एक्विजिशन ऑफ द प्रोनाउंसिएशन है, स्ट्रक्चर की प्रॉब्लम है या हमारी वोकैबुलरी बिल्डिंग का इशू है, तो इन सब के लिए जितना हमारे पास प्रीवियस वर्क है थियरीज़ की फॉर्म में, थ्योरेटिकल फ्रेमवर्क की फॉर्म में, उसको हम क्या कंसीडर करते हैं? हम उसको अप्रोच कंसीडर करते हैं. अब उस अप्रोच को हम अपनी उस रियल लाइफ प्रॉब्लम से मीटअप करने के लिए, जब हम उसको अपने रियल लाइफ में इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं, एग्जांपल देते हुए कि जी फ़लाँ थ्योरी के अंदर, फ़लाँ अप्रोच के अंदर ये चीज़ इस तरह से बताई गई है और हम इससे क्या कर सकते हैं, असिस्टेंस ले सकते हैं, हेल्प आउट हमें ये कर सकती है। तो जब हम उस तरीक़ाकार से उसको अपनी रियल लाइफ प्रॉब्लम्स को डील करने के लिए इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं, तो वो क्या बन जाता है, हमारे पास मेथड बन जाता है। सो फॉर इंस्टेंस, how we can improve our teaching through direct method means, towards the, first of all we have to see that first the agenda, what's the proposal, what's the hypothesis, what's the assumption behind the direct method, what is the approach of direct method, and then we need to implement that direct method in our real life situation to deal with the real life language problems. So afterwards, after defining the approach and method, the third important and crucial category is the technique. Means, what is the technique? What's the difference between an approach, a method, or a technique? So technique is known as a tool, strategies, techniques, and confined activities which are used in the classroom along with the method and also in accordance with an approach. Means, it's fine, we elaborate the assumption, we elaborate the hypothesis, we develop a theory like Chomsky theory, language learning acquisition theory, like Skinner's theory, language learning theory, like Skinner's and Stern's questions theories regarding language learning. These are the theories. Now we have the knowledge of the theories, then we uh, learn that how these theories can be implemented in our real life. It is called a method. And now when we are saying that what is technique, means how we can use those methods, which are the mediums, which are the modes of instruction through which we can implement a methodology, we can implement a method based upon the approach. So we can say that techniques are known as the tools, techniques, strategies, and they are limited and they are specified, which are used in a classroom along with the method and also in accordance with an approach. मीन्स कि एक टेक्निक तब तक डेवलप नहीं हो सकती जब तक हमारे पास उसका एक प्रॉपर थ्योरेटिकल फ्रेमवर्क ना हो और उसकी रियल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन के लिए हम किसी मेथडोलॉजी को अडॉप्ट ना कर सकें हों। मेथडोलॉजी को अडॉप्ट करने के बाद हम देखते हैं कि हमें कौन कौन सी स्ट्रैटेजीज़ के साथ, कौन कौन सी डिवाइसेस के साथ हम इस चीज़ को फर्दर अपनी रिसर्च फील्ड के अंदर, अपनी स्टडी फील्ड के अंदर इम्प्लीमेंट करें। So for instance, try to use tools, techniques, ways, and strategies for the positive results of the desired method. Means the method which you are going to be used in the classroom, you need to observe that which sort of tools, which sort of techniques and ways and strategies can be helpful for you to implement that method. So which sort of techniques, procedures and strategies can be effective for effective teaching and learning session? This work is done by the technique. Means which sort of procedures, which sort of measurements, which sort of techniques, which sort of devices can be useful or cannot be useful in the teaching learning environment. So here is the difference which is presented in the form of the table, in the comparison form, through which we can take a gauge about an approach, about a technique and about a method. So again, it is in your in you before in written form. So again you can take a glimpse of this agenda. So what is approach? Approach is a theoretical positions and concepts about the nature of language, the nature of language learning, like psycholinguistics and cognitive processes involved, and applicability of the both to pedagogical teaching setting, successful use of these processes. Then method, it's a plan, a generalized set of classroom specifications for the completion of the linguistic motives by giving focus on the goals of the teaching learning pupils' roles, instructors' role, roles of instructional contents. Last but not the least, what is technique? Technique is a procedure, it is a desired, it is a prescribed types of exercises, tasks or activities which are used in class in order to get the objective of teaching pedagogical goals. For the better understanding, we may summarize that the word why, WH family word why, provides us the answer of the approach, means why we are doing something. Clear? How we can get the previous described agenda, what's the theory, what's the objective, and what are the techniques and what are the ways and what is the procedures to meet up those methods, and methods meet up to follow those approaches. So we can also describe over here that what's the role of WH question words and what are the significance of those questions, what is the role of those questions. We can easily elaborate the nature of an approach, technique and method by posing certain questions, by providing their suitable answers or the appropriate answers. For instance, an approach provides the answer of the question, what are the concepts, what are the beliefs and theoretical foundations in English language teaching. The same case with the method, we can also understand more effectively by giving the answer of the word how. So how we can meet up with the word how, or how the word how meets up the objective. So methods provide the answer of the question, how we can implement, how we can make it practical, how we can make it practice those concepts, those beliefs and theoretical foundations in English language teaching. So the word how we can make practice the abstract theoretical concepts, means the theories which are in the journals, which are in the book forms, which are in this encyclopedia, which are in the form of net, internet, Facebook, any medium of instruction, any mode of communication, whether it's a social media, whether it's an other media like print media, like so on and so forth. So how we can make practice the abstract means the written form, the theories which are presented earlier, those theoretical concepts in order to solve the real life problems by making it concrete, by giving the methods, by introducing the methods. So moving on, the word technique can also be satisfied with the WH family question words, like technique works as a tool, as an instrument which is used to get an immediate result regarding the issue at hand. So technique provides the answer of the word what. For instance, what are the possible tasks, exercises and strategies through which we can make teaching method easy and interesting in order to get favorable results. So the role of techniques in the classroom is very important, is very crucial, as it covers or it deals with what really occurs in the teaching learning sessions in the actual teaching.